Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word. Now there are a couple of reasons why that is happening and I'm going to go ahead and show you each one of them. So I have here three blank pages and we're going to go ahead and delete them. And let's go ahead and start with the last one. So let's just zoom in a little bit right here just for us to see how this is going to be looking like. Let's go ahead and try to view multiple pages here. So let's go ahead and start with this one. We're gonna click home and let's just go ahead and click this one right here. This is going to understand or help us understand what is the reason why these things are happening. So let's go back here. Let's say for example this one right now, if I were to go ahead and click the delete button, it's not actually going to do anything. The same thing if I were to basically click the backspace, nothing is happening on our end here. So the way that we're gonna go ahead and find a round or a workaround here is we're just gonna highlight that one and we're gonna go ahead and adjust the size right here, basically making this as small as possible. In some cases it could be like 3 2, in some cases it could be 1, just like what happened right here. And yeah, if you do that one, it's gonna turn into like some sort of dot, but and it's not gonna be visible for us anymore. So yeah, that's one way to do it. The next thing that we're gonna do is maybe you just entered like couple of like enter keys in here. So you could just go ahead and delete those. And as you do that one, it's gonna bring that or it's gonna remove that particular um, page that you are working on. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that one more time. So that should be good for us now. Now, another way is there could be a page break. So, yeah, that happens. And when that happens, you just go ahead and highlight that one and then click the delete, and it's gonna delete that thing for you. Now, you can go ahead and click this one as well in order to basically connect these two. So, if we're gonna go ahead and check how our document is looking like, you can see that now we are just down to four different pages here, and our document looks fine right now. And yeah, those are the ways in order for us to delete blank pages here in Microsoft Word.